What's up, you guys? Today I'm going to be filming an unboxing and a review of a few shoes that I got from SuperLadyStar. So SuperLadyStar is a website that sells a variety of shoes from boots to sandals to flats. They're very affordable and fast shipping, and I have 3 pairs to show. I did upload a Instagram reel showing these shoes, so I will include that footage of them tried on and styled with a few different outfits, but I'm going to be showing them today. So our first pair is this pair of wedges. It has a bit of heel. This is like a gold cream pair that zips up at the back. This would be perfect with a dress, pants, shorts, skirt, but for more of like a casual wear. I really like it. They're great quality. They're comfortable, and yeah, they have a nice like sole on the bottom, so I picture wearing this with dresses that I have. It just seems like great quality, and they usually zip on, so they come off. I got mine in a size 6, and these fit great for me, but they have different sizes and different colors you can get. So here's what these look like. I just love the design. I don't have a pair of shoes like these, and that they zip up and they have a little bit of a heel, but they're still easy to walk in, so perfect to wear for events like weddings and graduations and wear it with a dress. So I like this pair. Then we have our second pair, which is this blue sandal pair. So these are gemmed and they wrap around here. They have a bit of like kind of like a heeled sole, but again, great tread, so you're not gonna slip. And these come in a variety of colors, but I love this turquoise color. I don't have one like this, so I picture wearing this with jeans, leggings, even shorts, skirt, and you can wear this in spring, summer, even early September, fall time. Really comfortable, easy to slip on. They have the nice gem piece, and these are very comfortable too, because some flip-flops aren't comfortable, so I've been liking these. And then our last pair is this black pair, and I love the design of this. It has braided in here and then it wraps around. These zip up again and they have the nice sole. So these I would wear with shorts, again, leggings, pants, a dress. I like that these zip up and they're black. Black goes with everything. I feel like the cream and this go with everything. Same with the blue, because it's not too bright of a color. So all of these are versatile. They're comfortable. You can wear it with multiple outfits on multiple occasions. They're really great quality, and they have a bunch of different styles you can shop. They have very unique boots and flats, and they're affordable and fast shipping, so definitely check it out if you are looking for some new shoes to try out. And I am going to now include me showing how all 3 of these wear and what I paired them with for an outfit, and I'll link them down below. Definitely check out